before we begin, remember, none of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, just a dad who enjoys exploring the crypto and DeFi space. And if you enjoy content like this, please like and subscribe, ping that notification bell, and share this content with anyone who wants to expand their knowledge of crypto and DeFi. Also, please consider checking out our webpage, dadsdefispace.org, free educational articles on DeFi, crypto, a free course, and my community. And consider connecting with me on X, CryptoZone 1013, and Telegram Dad DeFi 1013. Enough of the introductions. Let's get to today's video. Welcome back to Dad's DeFi Space. I just wanted to take a short and quick amount of time to share with you all some LP positions that we are managing in our USDC vault on Krystal Finance. One of those positions is a virtual USDC. Virtual is a AI agent launchpad protocol and staking platform that we were very bullish on in the spring. We should have sold way more of our bag during the last altcoin hype cycle, but this one being managed with a automated range of around plus and minus 10% has been earning anywhere from 2 to 400% APR. The yields have been juicy and the impermanent loss has been minimal right now. And I wanted to share one more position that we haven't allocated a lot of capital for, but we were interested in, and it's a MORPHO USDC position on base. This position is earning more than 400% on average. MORPHO is a Bitcoin lending protocol that is connected to the Coinbase app. Bullish, we are bullish on these virtual and MORPHO USDC positions on base. We have not applied a lot of capital to it because I want to see the effects of impermanent loss before I allocate more capital. A great suggestion that I got from the UIG Underdog Investment Group. Remember, links in the description, 20% off your first month. And on top of that, when I test the position, I can then allocate more capital and get a better idea of how the position may perform. The rest of the portfolio is going to be presented here. And on a final note, for those who aren't just into earning fees with their liquidity and DeFi positions and earning that yield, and you like to trade, you like to hedge, and you need a non-KYC exchange, check out use any of our other links to help support the channel, and check out Dad's DeFi. What positions and what LPs are you bullish on right now during this point of the cycle? And again, let's talk a little bit of strategy. I don't have a lot of allocated capital into LPs right now because I want more price appreciation with my crypto. I believe that it's moving into altcoin season, and this altcoin season could be a big one, and I want to be positioned for it. What is your plan? Remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. I'm just a dad who enjoys learning, teaching, and talking about crypto and DeFi. You for staying with me the entire video, and I hope you are leaving a little bit smarter about either crypto or DeFi. Like and subscribe to help support the channel. Check out our webpage at dadsdefispace.org. If you really want to consider developing your DeFi game, check out CryptoLabsResearch Underdog Investment Group, the best DeFi private community in this space. And if you're interested in trading on a non-KYC exchange, check out our link from Weeks, $30,000 of USDT, or if you're not interested, maybe Blowfin or BitUnix. The links in the description are affiliates, but they do help support the channel. Again, thank you and have a grateful day. Keith.